Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. That's just a quick little video on jigs and welding. I love to build stuff. You're going to be seeing lots of projects coming down. This is my motorcycle jig. 1/2-inch steel plate, really heavy gusseted. It's all drilled and tapped so we can bolt everything down, keep it from moving around. We have cones that go in the neck, bolt onto here, keep the neck all straight. We've got laser jig assembly that goes on the back. Over here, we have one of 2 frame jigs that I use. This one here, as you can see, it's just a big, solid, sturdy, it's about 4,000 pound cement table. We have a steel perimeter around it. We've got all these uprights we clamp down, cross braces, everything gets clamped, spot welded down. Nothing's gonna move when we weld on this one. Over here, we have my fabricating bench here. I got brackets to hold differential up. I can narrow my differentials up on here. We can do our 4-link brackets or whatever we want. It too's all drilled, tapped, everything gets bolted down, nothing's gonna move when we're welding. I'm a firm believer in jigs. So, and we have another chassis jig also. It's not here right at the moment, but it'll be here soon. It's a steel one made out of 6 by 4-inch channel. Big believer in jigs. I hope you guys get something out of that. Maybe, if you're building your own jig, maybe you can get a few ideas. That would be nice. And hey, if you're doing a project, have fun, good luck, and hopefully I can offer some, input into it. Have a nice day, everyone.